How do I reset GMC Acadia navigation system? To reset the navigation system in a GMC Acadia, you can follow these steps. Start by turning on the vehicle's ignition. Ensure that the Acadia is parked in a safe location and the engine is running. Locate the Home button on the navigation system's control panel. It is typically positioned on the right side of the screen or near the main control buttons. Press and hold the Home button for approximately 10 seconds. This action will trigger a confirmation message to appear on the screen. Release the Home button and confirm the reset by selecting Yes or OK on the screen. This will initiate the reset process. Wait for the navigation system to restart. During this time, the screen may go blank or display a loading icon. The reset process usually takes a few minutes. Once the system has finished restarting, the navigation should be reset to its default settings. You can now use the navigation system as you would normally. Keep in mind that performing a reset may erase any saved addresses, destinations, or preferences in the navigation system. If you wish to retain this information, it is advisable to back up your settings before proceeding with the reset. Consult the vehicle's owner manual for specific instructions on how to back up and restore navigation system settings. The process may vary depending on the model year of your GMC Acadia. Follow the steps provided in the owner manual to accurately complete the backup and restoration process. By taking these precautions, you can prevent the loss of important data. Following the outlined steps should enable you to successfully reset the navigation system in your GMC Acadia. Always exercise caution when operating the vehicle and the navigation system to ensure your safety and the safety of others on the road. Take the time to familiarize yourself with the features and functions of the navigation system to make the most of its capabilities. Remember to drive responsibly and follow all applicable traffic laws while using the navigation system. Regularly update the navigation system's software and maps to ensure optimal performance and accuracy. Enjoy your journeys with the reset navigation system in your GMC Acadia. If you encounter any difficulties or if the reset process does not work as expected, customer support for assistance. Link in description box.